When did America gain its independence?
I'm looking away.
Frick. When did America gain its independence? What day?
No. I don't want to get
Macy, what day did the United States gain its independence? Are you?
July 4th.
How many stars in the American flag?
50.
What do they represent?
The states.
How many lines are there in the American flag? And what do they represent?
Colonies.
Yeah. What's 12 times 12?
She said she was like, oh, I'll give it.
Explain a science term and explain it.
No, mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell.
The study of everything in existence and what we're trying to find.
Derek, what is slope-intercept form? Angel, what is the largest country in the world? What is the largest country in the world? You don't know? Not at all. Brenton, what's a prefix?
Prefix?
Yeah, what's a prefix?
I know.
Connor, what's a prefix?
It's like before the word.
Yeah.
Erica, what is velocity?
Velocity.
Yeah.
Speed.
The speed of what?
Lightning McQueen.
Jordan, what does a comma do?
What is it, what?
A comma.
Well, according to what I may have learned in English class, I believe that a comma separates a sentence so you don't have to put a period in it, so it makes more sense.
No,
What's a hyperbole?
I don't know.
Oh,
I'm stupid.
Lance, what's a hyperbole? Does anybody know what a hyperbole is?
Some sort of English. No, it's. You don't know what it is? I haven't been in a literal English class. It's an exaggeration. For dramatic purposes.
Good job. What's a pronoun? Oh,
I mean, parrot.
when did Wisconsin become a state?
That, I have no idea.
What are the last 4 letters in the alphabet?
X, Y, Z. No, that's 3.
W, X, Y,
W,
and Z.
X, Y, Z.
Name a country that starts with the letter U. No, a country. You don't know a country that starts with the letter U? What about United States? Which side won the Civil War? Correct. The United States gained its independence.
Wait, was it 1776?
Well,
that just when
you know what I
something
was
Was it
something
1789?
cool that said
Nope.
no.
Was it 1700?
No?
What?
2019.
When was this?
1492.
When did the United States gain its independence?
Oh my God.
What is it in the Declaration?
1776.
What day?
July 4th.
JC, what's a hyperbole? You don't know what a hyperbole is? Okay. What's a pronoun at least? Okay. How many tablespoons are in a cup?
16.
Correct. Good job. Oh, what are the first steps when you get a recipe? What is the first thing you do?
Yeah, read it.
Yeah, good job.